Hi everyone, my name is Daphne and today we're going to read another book on a book called Boy, Bird and Dog. Boy saw Bird, Bird was up. Boy went up. Hello boy, said Bird. Hello bird, said boy. They saw and saw. Dog saw Bird and boy. I want to go up, said Dog, but I can't. Boy went down. He got a rope. He got a pot. Dog went in the pot. Boy went up. He pulled the rope. Dog was up. Hello, Dog, said Bird. Hello, Bird, said Dog. Boy, Bird and Dog like to be up. They saw and saw. They saw Mom. She went to the tree. Mom had cookies. She held them up, but Boy did not go down. He sent the pot. Mom put the cookies in the pot. Boy pulled up the pot. Boy, Bird, and Dog had cookies. Yum, they were good. Bird, Boy, and Dog were happy. And that's the end of Boy, Bird, and Dog, guys. Don't forget to like.